welcome back to the channel everyone. Today's video is going to be an unboxing for this new product from Vifoca. They do make premium vehicle dash cam. It is a 4K. They do most Toyota vehicles and some Ford vehicles. So again, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys, and I would like to thank Vifoca for sending me this unit to make this video possible. Just go ahead and open these and check out what's inside the box. Okay, so right off the box, it comes with a microfiber cloth and of course a user manual. And you have your trim tool here, and it looks like it also has the GPS antenna, a micro USB, and this is the main, I guess the main hardwire kit. And also you have your backup camera or rear view camera, and you got some white gloves right here. And then this is the actual trim here for a Toyota RAV4. So like I said, this one here is good for a 5th gen 2022 to 2025 Toyota RAV4. And pay attention, your OE unit must have a vent on the front, otherwise it's not gonna work out. So yeah, it looks you know, quality build. It's direct fitment from your OE rear view mirror trim. So all you got to do is pretty much remove the existing one and put this back on, plug everything back together, and you have your front camera right here. So yeah, this is it. So you got everything you need. So make sure visit their website, Vifoca.com, and also they have a store on Amazon. So just search Vifoca and you will see all the dash cams that they have built in for your vehicle. So again, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one.